Alright guys, today is a good day because I found a way you can make really beautiful presentations by combining the Nano Banana Pro model with Google's Notebooklm. And the best part is you can do it completely free. So let's get started. Alright, so let's not waste any time and jump straight into the Nano Banana Pro image generator. I use the official Google Gemini since I get one month free with a new Gmail account, but you can use any free third-party apps like LM Arena or FileAI to access the Nano Banana Pro model for free. I'm asking our Nano Banana Pro to generate 4 images of a cinematic portrait of Batman. I give the AI an idea of how Batman should look and what he should wear. Then I mention that each of these 4 images should be a different scene, describe those scenes, and of course make sure the AI keeps Batman consistent in every image. Next, like always, let's wait a few seconds and see what the AI delivers. And you can see we have 4 different scenes with our Batman, and is he consistent across every image? Yes, he is. By the way, if you want to create consistently looking characters with the Nano Banana Pro using just a single prompt, I explain exactly how to do it in this video. Next we head over to Notebooklm. For anyone who hasn't used it before, here is the website. Next we're uploading all our images to Notebooklm again and describing to the AI what we want to see. So it won't just create a random presentation, it will build a storyline based on the images we provided. And as always, we will wait a few seconds here. I'm adding some epic music to these slides and let's see what we get. Again guys, I'm not going to rate it, let me know in the comments below if you like it or not, and if you have already used Notebooklm for creating presentations or maybe for something else. So I'm asking AI to generate an image of a battle between Vikings with robots. It should be a realistic style image with a lot of details. And let's wait a few seconds while our Nano Banana Pro gets the job done. And you can see guys how it turned out. My prompt wasn't super detailed, so this is what we got. I'm not going to regenerate to find the perfect image, my goal here is just to show you how everything works. Then we create a new notebook and just upload our image. Let's go ahead and speed things up a bit. And now our app recognizes the image and all the buttons are active now, including the slide deck, which is basically our AI presentation maker. And if we click on it, the AI will just generate some random stuff for us. But we want more customization, so I click the edit button inside our block, choose presenter slides, and then tell the AI exactly what I want to see. This prompt is really important guys, so I'm going to be super detailed but still keep it short. Create a presentation on the topic Vikings with robots based on the style of the image I attached. In each slide, choose the same style visuals, compare weapons, battlefields, and who will win this battle. The presentation should be from 8 to 12 slides. Next we click the generate button and let's see what we get. After a few seconds you can see guys how our presentation turned out. I'm not going to rate it or say if it's good or bad, let me know in the comments below what you think. But considering this was created in less than a minute, I would say it's pretty amazing. As I mentioned in previous videos, the Nano Banana Pro model can't create presentations on its own, but you can always combine Nano Banana Pro visuals with tools like GMAI, ManusAI or Notebooklm to make really beautiful AI presentations. The idea behind this video is pretty simple. Don't rely on a single AI tool. Sometimes to get more accurate results, you need to combine 2 or even 3 different apps. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for more AI presentation makers, I highly recommend checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next videos.